Have you ever wondered about the magical world hidden within psilocybin mushrooms? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the intriguing realm of these remarkable fungi. Psilocybin mushrooms, often fondly referred to as magic mushrooms, shrooms, or psychedelic mushrooms, boast a rich history that stretches back thousands of years. They've been used in religious rituals, traditional medicine, and even as a conduit for spiritual enlightenment. But where do these fascinating fungi come from? Well, it's believed that the first psilocybin mushrooms sprouted from the earth millions of years ago. These ancient organisms have evolved into a wide array of species, each with its unique characteristics. But among the hundreds of known species, 3 stand out from the crowd: Psilocybe cubensis, Psilocybe semilanceata, and Psilocybe azurescens. Psilocybe cubensis, often simply known as cubes, are one of the most popular and widely recognized species. They're notable for their large golden caps and are the most commonly cultivated species. On the other hand, Psilocybe semilanceata, or liberty caps, are named for their distinctive conical-shaped caps and are commonly found in the wild, especially in areas of damp grassland. And then we have Psilocybe azurescens, fondly known as flying saucers, blue angels, or Azzies. These are some of the most potent psilocybin mushrooms in existence. Found primarily in the Pacific Northwest, they're recognized by their caramel-colored caps and a bluish hue that appears when the mushroom is bruised. It's mind-boggling to think that these little fungi, often overlooked and trampled underfoot, have played such a significant role in human history and culture. From their humble origins in the earth to their use in sacred rituals and potential in modern medicine, psilocybin mushrooms have proven that they are more than just simple organisms. So these little fungi hold quite a fascinating history, don't they? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the psychedelic effects of these magical mushrooms in the next scene. Now, what happens when someone consumes these mysterious fungi? Well, the magic lies in a compound called psilocybin, present in these peculiar mushrooms. When ingested, the body gets to work, converting psilocybin into another compound, psilocin. This is the stuff that really stirs the pot, so to speak. Psilocin has a particular affinity for the serotonin receptors in our brain. Serotonin, often hailed as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in our mood, appetite, sleep, and even our perception of reality. When psilocin binds to these receptors, it's like throwing a wrench in the machinery of our mind. The result? An altered state of consciousness that can feel as if the boundaries between self and the world around us are dissolving. This can lead to profound changes in perception, thought, and emotion. Some folks describe vivid hallucinations, where colors become more intense, sounds might take on a visual quality, and time can seem to stretch or contract. Others find themselves embarking on introspective journeys, contemplating deep questions about the nature of self, existence, and the universe. Of course, the onset and duration of these effects can vary greatly based on factors like dosage, the individual's metabolism, and even their mindset at the time of consumption. Generally, though, one can expect the effects to kick in within 20 to 40 minutes of ingestion, peaking around 2 hours in, and gradually tapering off over the next 4 to 6 hours. It's worth noting, though, that while these experiences can be enlightening for some, they can also be overwhelming, especially for the unprepared. Potential side effects can include nausea, increased heart rate, and in some cases, psychological distress. So it's clear that these mushrooms carry a powerful punch in their tiny forms, transforming ordinary reality into a psychedelic experience. But what is the current scientific understanding of these potent fungi? Well, let's dive into the wealth of recent research that's been conducted on psilocybin mushrooms. In the past few years, there's been a surge of interest in understanding these mystical fungi, and the findings are nothing short of fascinating. Many studies are exploring the potential therapeutic uses of psilocybin, particularly in the realm of mental health. Research has suggested that these mushrooms might possess the power to alleviate some of the burdens of conditions like depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Imagine a world where a naturally occurring fungus can provide relief from some of the most debilitating mental health challenges we face today. But the potential benefits of psilocybin don't stop there. Studies are also uncovering their potential for fostering creativity. Artists, musicians, and writers throughout history have reported the inspirational qualities of these mushrooms, and now science is beginning to catch up with these anecdotal reports. Through controlled studies, Researchers are finding that psilocybin can indeed enhance creative thinking and problem-solving abilities. On a spiritual level, many individuals report profound experiences of personal growth and transformation after using psilocybin mushrooms. These experiences, often described as mystical or transcendent, can lead to lasting positive changes in attitudes, mood, and behavior. Scientists are now beginning to explore these effects in a systematic way, seeking to understand how and why these transformations occur. Now, it's important to remember that while the potential benefits of psilocybin mushrooms are exciting, their use should always be approached responsibly. Safe use is paramount, and it's crucial to respect the powerful effects of these fungi. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of psilocybin mushrooms, it's clear that they hold a promising potential, not just for individuals, but for society at large. As we move forward, it's exciting to think about what else we might discover about these remarkable fungi. To summarize our journey into the world of psilocybin mushrooms, we've explored the intriguing realm of these mystical fungi, delved into their mind-bending psychedelic effects, and considered their promising therapeutic potential. We've also shed light on the ongoing research, striving to unlock their full potential. These explorations have led us to an exciting frontier of understanding, where science meets nature in a dance of discovery. These mystical fungi remind us that even in the smallest corners of nature, there lies a potential for profound transformation and healing.